Pretty excited that traveling's going to get a whole lot easier with this hard shell camera case. Let me show you the details. Thanks to Alcu for sending me this case for an honest review. So inside, I've got a Canon DSLR sitting very snugly, got space for filters, any other caps, anything on the side of this Velcro thing that you can easily move and resize how you need it. Then this flip open lid up top has all kinds of extra storage, memory cards, any other smaller items, several pouches here that you can slide these in. Then zipper protected storage in here for charging cables, connection cables, anything else you need. What makes this case so nice is, especially when you're traveling, it is compact. You can put the basics in there that you know you need. But if you have your larger rig and other equipment for it, sure, keep your larger camera bag. But this is one that's just awesome if you're taking and you just need a few items, but you want to know it's protected. Nice hard shell case on this, zips up securely, has two D-rings here that comes with a strap, plus of course your carrying case up top. If you want compact travel equipment for your cameras that you know is going to keep it safe and you can easily access, I think this is a good one to go for. I would recommend.